Welcome to Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters, DYD LLC, your go-to source for convenient and affordable dumpster rental solutions in Columbia, Tennessee. At Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters, DYD LLC, we simplify debris removal, ensuring that your cleanup projects are effortless. We're not just a service, but your trusted partner for all your dumpster rental needs in Columbia, Tennessee. Our mission is to provide top-notch service while ensuring a seamless, stress-free experience for our valued customers. Our knowledgeable team is here to assist you in choosing the right dumpster size for your specific project, ensuring space is well spent. Whether it's a home renovation or a primary construction job, we have the perfect solution. Join countless satisfied customers who have chosen Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters, DYD LLC for their dumpster rental needs in Columbia, Tennessee. Visit us at www.diydumpstersdn.com or call us at 615-290-2029. With Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters, DYD LLC, you'll have more time and room to focus on what matters most.